Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off system icons on taskbar. So guys, if you want to turn on or off system icons on taskbar in your desktop PC or laptop, it's very easy. Firstly, right click on personalize, click on taskbar, scroll down, click on turn system icons on or off as you like. If you want to choose which icons on or off. So if you want to touch keyboard on /2 on position, and if you want to off /2 off position. If you want to lock off, so /2 off position. Okay. If you want to enable /2 on position. So guys, this is very simple. Firstly, right click on personalize taskbar, turn system icons on and off. If you want to disable on, lock /2 on position. That's So guys, this is very simple and easy method to turn on or off system icons on taskbar in Windows and PC or laptop. Watching this video, please subscribe to my channel for latest update.